picture it. I just want to get this wall. Okay, now start whacking on it. Whoa, don't fall. Watch it. Come around the other side. Hey, not near me. Not near me. Hey, Garrett, stop. Over there. Get all that over there. You gonna start getting the floor too? At some point?
I already got it.
Oh, you already got some of it? Okay. A lot of ice. Easy, Peyton.
That's what.
What? Yeah, that broke off.
What?
Rusted out. That's why I'm saying be careful, bud.
That is hammer?
Yeah?